In this short video, I'll explain what a cryptocurrency trading bot is and how it works. Are you tired of staring at cryptocurrency charts all day, trying to time the perfect trade? Don't confuse this with AI bots, which use artificial intelligence. Imagine a world where you can trade crypto 24/7, even while you sleep, without lifting a finger. That's the power of cryptocurrency trading bots. Hello and welcome to the Prof channel, where we explore the latest in digital finance and cryptocurrency. Today, we'll explore what a cryptocurrency trading bot is, how they work, the different types out there, and if they're safe and profitable. So, let's get right into it. A crypto trading bot is a computer program that automates the buying and selling of cryptocurrencies. Think of it as your personal crypto trading robot, working tirelessly in the background to execute trades based on your predefined strategies. It's essentially an algorithm that analyzes market data like price movements, trading volume, and other indicators to identify potentially profitable trading opportunities. Some crypto trading bots are offered directly by crypto exchanges. These bots, like the ones on KuCoin, are often more user-friendly and require less technical expertise to set up. Crypto trading bots work by connecting to cryptocurrency exchanges via APIs. They access real-time and historical market data, analyze it, and then execute trades according to the instructions you set. Here's a breakdown of how they work. The bot gathers and analyzes huge amounts of market data. This helps it to identify patterns and trends. Based on the analysis, the bot generates signals that suggest when to buy or sell a particular cryptocurrency. You can set parameters to control your risk, such as stop-loss levels, and take profit targets. Bots automatically executes trades based on the signals and your risk parameters. They constantly monitor the market and your trades, and can even adjust strategies based on changing market conditions. Are trading bots safe to use? Using a cryptocurrency trading bot, free or paid, does come with risks, but there are ways to minimize them. Here are some key things to consider. Opt for platforms with robust security measures like two-factor authentication and encryption. Look for user reviews and feedback to gauge the platform's reputation. Start with small investments in a demo mode to get familiar with how the bot works before risking real money. Select a bot from a provider that offers regular updates and reliable customer support. Don't solely rely on the bot for profit. Define your risk tolerance, set stop-loss orders, and monitor the bot's performance. Automated trading bots can be profitable, but it's not a guaranteed get-rich-quick scheme. Profits depend on several factors. Cryptocurrency markets are volatile. Your bot needs to be able to adapt to rapid price changes. The trading strategies you program into the bot are crucial. Thoroughly research and backtest strategies before using real funds. The settings you choose, like entry and exit points and risk management rules, significantly impact the bot's performance. Even with a bot, managing risk is critical. Understand the potential for loss and set appropriate limits. Don't just set it and forget it. Monitor your bot's performance, adjust parameters as needed, and even turn it off during unfavorable market conditions. Choosing the best cryptocurrency trading bot depends on your experience and trading goals. Some popular options include Best Cryptocurrency Trading Bot for Beginners. KuCoin offers user-friendly bots that are good for those starting out. Best Automated Crypto Trading Platform. Platforms like 3, CryptoHopper, Bitsgap, and Pionex offer more advanced features for experienced traders. Free Crypto Trading Bot. Some platforms offer free trials or limited versions of their bots. Types of crypto trading bots. There are many types of cryptocurrency trading bots designed for various trading styles and strategies. Arbitrage bots capitalize on price differences between exchanges. Trend trading bots follow market trends to buy low and sell high. Market-making bots provide liquidity to the market by placing buy and sell orders. Scalping bots make numerous small profits from tiny price fluctuations. And there's another one which we'll discuss later. Crypto trading bots can be powerful tools to enhance your trading strategy. By understanding the basics of how they work, managing your risks, and choosing the right bot, you can take advantage of the 24/7 nature of the cryptocurrency market. Now, wouldn't it be fascinating to explore the world of AI crypto trading bots? If you're intrigued by the possibilities of artificial intelligence in crypto trading, check out this video right here.